So most indoor security cameras fail at one thing: capturing footage through window or glass, especially at nighttime. You end up getting glares, reflections, you miss motion, and they're just basically useless. That's where something like this comes in. This is the W11 by HomeQ. It's the world's first solar powered full color 4 megapixel window camera. This is absolutely one of the smartest indoor cameras that you can buy right now, currently launched on Kickstarter. The link is in the description. There's no wires, there's no drilling involved. It's solar powered. You literally just stick it onto your window, a couple of magnetics, a couple of adhesive pads, and you're up and running via plug and play. Let's go ahead and check to see if this is the smartest indoor camera for windows that you can buy. So this is the camera. It comes in two colors, black and white, so it fits the aesthetic that you want it to. It's very simple. We've got the pairing button along the top, LED indicator there. You've got the PIR sensor just there. On the left hand side, you have the port that you connect the USB charging for. This is where the solar panel will connect to it. And there's a micro SD card slot in there as well. I do recommend that you do put a micro SD card slot in there. You can use this to capture all your footage and play back any recordings. They do also offer a cloud subscription, so you can do that either monthly or yearly. And it's just a very quick and convenient way, paired with the HomeQ app, to see everything that you want to see, both in daytime and nighttime. So let me show you how it works with the solar panel. You literally have 3 attachments here, and it's so quick and easy. So the first one for the camera, all you need to do is peel off the adhesive back, stick this on the window, and the camera itself will attach directly onto this like that. And then you have the solar panel itself. So this is going to attach to the right hand side of the camera, so this is easier for the USB connection. You have this magnetic strip. This will go into the slot just there. You peel off the adhesive backing just on this, stick it on the window, and then you connect the other end to the camera, which is connected to this. So make sure to reposition everything accordingly, and that's basically it. Just a few hours of daylight, and then you can use this pretty much as a forever power camera. If the camera itself doesn't have any connection into the USB-C port, you actually get up to 60 days of battery life on the internal battery just of the W11. But here's the best part. Because it comes with a solar panel, with just a little bit of sunlight each day, you basically never have to charge it, and you don't have to worry about accessing your camera from anywhere in the world. Okay, so the main power of this comes from the HomeQ app. So I'm just going to run through and showcase how the app looks and how it works. I've got the camera just here in front of me, and I'm going to be recording myself whilst showcasing the app just here. So this is the home page. So this is where you find all of the main settings and options for the camera itself. You have the option to go into privacy mode with that off-on button just on the left-hand side there. You can turn do not disturb on and off from the right-hand side. If you have multiple cameras, you can do multi-video preview from there as well. If I scroll down, this is the camera at the bottom. I just select this, and it establishes an encrypted channel before loading it up. So there you can see the live feed. On the top left, you have the battery percentage. Of course, when I connect this via the solar panel, you will see that it will be charging at the same time. It's set to HD. It is quite clear, even though my room here is quite a little bit dark. You have the buttons along the bottom. You can go full screen with the left-hand side button. You have the snapshot button to take a photo. You have the mic button if you want to have two-way communication on the camera as well. The fourth button is to start recording. If you're seeing something in real time and you want to record that clip, you can do that. If you open this up, then you have a few more options here. You can take a look at the gallery to see all of the photos and videos you've taken manually from the camera option here. You can change the theme color. You can actually play a siren in case someone has broken into your house, or they're just outside your window where the camera is, and just to kind of throw them off. And then you can also edit some of these options as well. It's very straightforward and simple. If I go into more of the camera settings, from here you can change the video settings, the audio settings, the detection alarm settings, PIR settings, power management, and pretty much all of the options that you would expect. You can customize the notifications from your own phone's app notification settings menu. And if there is any other firmware update, you can access that right at the bottom. Mine is currently up to date. If you want to play back the previous recordings, I've got it set to record directly to my micro SD card. It supports up to 256 gigabytes, class 10. You have the option to go into the cloud storage. If you also want to purchase this, then here are the options if you want to upgrade and store things on the cloud. So there's plenty of options, and actually this is very affordable as well, just to give you that peace of mind. If I show you the playback options, so as you can see, I'm playing back a recording of what I was just doing just now, setting up the camera in front of me. It shows you those orange blocks of where there was movement and what you can play back. It's just quick and easy to access the playback and go and look at anything that you wanted to see from previous movements. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how this performs when I have set it up on my window in both daytime and nighttime. So the setup is incredibly easy. I suggest first just checking to see where you'd like to place the adhesive mount by holding the camera in different positions in the window whilst seeing the live view from the app, just to make sure you get the perfect angle, the perfect shot before you stick the mounting pad into place. Once you've done that and you're happy with the way it looks from the app, then you can go ahead and peel back the sticker on the camera mount and stick it in place. And when you're ready to put the solar panel up, I suggest just plugging the cable in first and positioning the solar panel in an appropriate location where you'll get enough sunlight, as well as an easy connection of the cable into the camera. Once you have it, in the same way, peel back the sticker of the magnetic strip whilst it's already attached to the solar panel and then stick it into place. And that's all there is to it. Now you have a window safety camera completely set up. And this is how clean and simple it looks. And you even have an LED indicator at the back of the camera, which goes red when it's recording movement and green when it's not and it's charging. And this is how it looks like to people from the outside. From a distance, most people won't be able to tell what this is unless you get close up and get past all the reflections of the window in daylight, then you can tell. But this is most convenient for me, especially to get notifications when I get mail or deliveries into my outdoor post box, which is right in front of this window. So let's see some footage in action. Now, although this isn't the highest megapixel resolution camera on the market, this 4 megapixel resolution, it's sharp enough for capturing faces. You can even get number plates of cars that are maybe entering your driveway and just get general surveillance detail. More than enough to capture any unwanted access to your home. And combined with the night mode, I just feel like it works both solid day and night. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this footage at night time. I do have to mention I do have automatic floodlights in the front of my house, so it does make it brighter outdoors, but that also makes it easier for this to capture full color night vision as well. But to be honest, most cameras, they use infrared at nighttime, and infrared always causes reflection and glare when shooting through glass. But this uses AI blacklight technology, which means you don't get any infrared glare. You get full color footage at night, and you can see clear faces, you can see cars and details very clearly. So this actually works through glass, and I'm pretty amazed by this. And honestly, this has to be one of the biggest upgrades over traditional indoor cameras. Now, motion detection is usually quite terrible through Windows, but the W11 uses something called 24 GHz millimeter wave radar. So this is not just traditional PIR. And what that means is that it works to penetrate through glass. It detects movement up to 26 feet away, and you get way fewer false alerts. I've noticed whilst I've been using this for the past few days, the notifications, it's fast, it comes through instantly, and it gives you that peace of mind knowing what's going on outside your window. So if you want a clean, simple, no hassle security setup, this is one of the smartest solutions that I've seen. And honestly, if you're the type of person that's maybe renting and you don't own the property, then you don't need to worry about doing any installations or drilling or calling an electrician to mess around with kind of like the walls and the wires and things like that. You can just get something like this for your own peace of mind, and then you can easily remove it after you're done with it. So I would highly recommend, if you want that extra piece of security for your home, then definitely check out the W11. It's on Kickstarter. The link is down below. Make sure to grab an amazing deal for such a really cool smart security solution. As always, if you enjoyed that video and you find this very useful, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.